But you don't want it moved. There, yeah, because the direction they go in is if I put it back, it would just go right back in the same direction. Wow, beautiful. Just admiring you. Alright, you're free. I'll see you tomorrow. Balance. It's okay, honey. Well, at least I had my camera this time. This is not the first bird to come and land on me. I love animals so much. So much. You have no idea. Bite me, my little baby. Anyone know what kind of bird this is? You're okay. It's very interesting. Yeah, it can fly. You flew up to me, onto my shoulder. You gotta do a quick gravity scoop.
Cause I'm a Scooby bird. Bye-bye, Scooby bird.
What's wrong, honey? Why did you fly up to me? What's going on, Bubba's?